मैं आधे घंटे से बस का इंतजार कर रहा था। आई हैड बीन वेटिंग फॉर द बस फॉर हाफ एन आवर। आई हैड बीन वेटिंग फॉर द बस फॉर हाफ एन आवर। वो कई दिनों से वो किताब पढ़ रही थी। शी हैड बीन रीडिंग दैट बुक फॉर डेज। शी हैड बीन रीडिंग दैट बुक फॉर डेज। वे सुबह भर बगीचे में काम कर रहे थे। दे हैड बीन वर्किंग इन द गार्डन ऑल मॉर्निंग। They had been working in the garden all morning. वो सुबह से गाड़ी चला रहा था. He had been driving since early morning. He had been driving since early morning. हम इस यात्रा की महीनों से योजना बना रहे थे. We had been planning this trip for months. We had been planning this trip for months. तुम 1 घंटे से फोन पर बात कर रहे थे. You had been talking on the phone for an hour. You had been talking on the phone for an hour. बच्चे पूरी शाम वीडियो गेम खेल रहे थे. The kids had been playing video games all evening. The kids had been playing video games all evening. मीटिंग शुरू होने से पहले मैं थका हुआ महसूस कर रहा था. I had been feeling tired before the meeting started. I had been feeling tired before the meeting started. वो कंपटीशन के लिए डांस की प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी. She had been practicing dance for the competition. She had been practicing dance for the competition. हम 2010 से उस घर में रह रहे थे. We had been living in that house since 2010. We had been living in that house since 2010. मैं कुछ दिनों से अच्छी नींद नहीं ले रहा था. I had not been sleeping well for a few days. I had not been sleeping well for a few days. वो नियमित रूप से अपने कक्षाओं में नहीं जा रही थी. She had not been attending her classes regularly. She had not been attending her classes regularly. वे अपने माता-पिता की मदद नहीं कर रहे थे. They had not been helping their parents. They had not been helping their parents. वो हफ्तों से व्यायाम नहीं कर रहा था. He had not been exercising for weeks. He had not been exercising for weeks. हम परीक्षा की तैयारी नहीं कर रहे थे. We had not been preparing for the exam. We had not been preparing for the exam. तुम समय पर खाना नहीं खा रहे थे. You had not been eating on time. You had not been eating on time. मजदूर काम पूरा नहीं कर रहे थे. The workers had not been finishing the task. The workers had not been finishing the task. मुझे हाल ही में उसकी कोई खबर नहीं मिल रही थी. I had not been hearing from him lately. I had not been hearing from him lately. वो मेरे संदेशों का जवाब नहीं दे रही थी. She had not been replying to my messages. She has not been replying to my messages. हम अपने दोस्तों से ज्यादा मिल नहीं रहे थे. We had not been meeting our friends much. We had not been meeting our friends much. क्या तुम कल रात देर तक काम कर रहे थे? Had you been working late last night? Had you been working late last night? क्या वो अपने रिश्तेदारों के साथ रह रही थी? Had she been staying with her relatives? Had she been staying with her relatives? क्या वे फाइनल परीक्षा की तैयारी कर रहे थे? Had they been studying for the final exam? Had they been studying for the final exam? क्या वो मैच लाइव देख रहा था? Had he been watching the match live? Had he been watching the match live? क्या हम तुमसे संपर्क करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे? Had we been trying to contact you? Had we been trying to contact you? क्या तुम्हारे दोस्त काफी देर से इंतजार कर रहे थे? Had your friends been waiting for a long time? Had your friends been waiting for a long time? क्या मैं बार बार वही गलती कर रहा था? Had I been making the same mistake again and again? Had I been making the same mistake again and again? क्या वो तुम्हारे संदेशों को नजरअंदाज कर रही थी? Had she been ignoring your messages? Had she been ignoring your messages? क्या सुबह से बारिश हो रही थी? Had it been raining since morning? Had it been raining since morning? क्या टीम नियमित रूप से अभ्यास कर रही थी? Had the team been practicing regularly? Had the team been practicing regularly? मीटिंग से पहले तुम क्या सोच रहे थे? What had you been thinking before the meeting? What had you been thinking before the meeting? छुट्टियों के दौरान वो कहां रह रही थी? Where had she been staying during the holidays? Where had she been staying during the holidays? वे इतनी देर से क्यों लड़ रहे थे? Why had they been fighting for so long? Why had they been fighting for so long? मेरा लैपटॉप कौन इस्तेमाल कर रहा था? Who had been using my laptop? Who had been using my laptop? जाने से पहले वो क्या कर रहा था? What had he been doing before he left? What had he been doing before he left? तुम फ्रेंच कब से सीख रहे थे? How long had you been learning French? How long had you been learning French? हम कहां गलती कर रहे थे? Where had we been going wrong? Where had we been going wrong? वो कॉल्स को क्यों टाल रही थी? Why had she been avoiding the calls? Why had she been avoiding the calls? बच्चे पूरा दिन क्या कर रहे थे? What had the children been doing all day? What had the children been doing all day? उस खाली घर में कौन रह रहा था? Who had been staying in that empty house? Who had been staying in that empty house?